Hey guys, how's it going? How to find cheap flight tickets in 2025. First of all, go ahead to your browser, right? And just search for where you want to go, like where you want to travel. Let's say from Riyadh or your location to Japan, okay? You're gonna be able to see the prices and all that stuff, right? You're gonna see it right here. It's in Arabic, so let me change it up. Let me change the language, English, okay? From Riyadh to Japan. You're gonna be able right here to see the results. So compare prices on sites like Google Flight, or this basically in your Google browser, or Skycanner by searching Skycanner, right? Or Kayak, which is a website that compares prices, right, from Riyadh to Japan. Okay, you're gonna be able to select your date. Let's say one way. Let's say one way, and then select the departure date. Okay, let's say, right. And if you have anyone, you could just go ahead and add your individuals, and you're gonna be able right here to see the cheapest prices, and you're gonna be able to compare it to Google Flights. Okay. Next, book in advance. Typically, booking 1 to 3 months ahead for domestic flights and 3 to 6 months for international flights gets you the best deals. And next, be flexible, right? Adjust your travel date and airports for cheaper options. Okay, so while you're searching for your flight, make sure to adjust the travel date. Okay, so instead of going on 31st, I'm gonna select the date to be something else. Okay, let's say January, say November 28th. Right, I'm gonna hit apply. I'm gonna hit search. I'm gonna be able right here to see the prices, right? And always set the price alerts if you have apps like Google Flight. Make sure to set the price or hopper to track price drops, or you can just search it on the day-to-day basis. You can click also right here the flights, right, and see basically how to get from point A to point B with cheap flights. Okay, that of course depends on your scheduling. Okay, so in my case, I'm gonna, let's say, go on October 15th or October 8th, and I'm gonna explore right here my options. Okay, for flight or the site on in Japan. So basically, yeah. So use incognito mode, search in private mode to avoid price hikes due to cookies. So you can go ahead and click that page right here, the page icon on the bottom right, to open up your pages, and you're gonna be able right to click private and then search for your flight. Okay, by typing from Riyadh to London or to Japan. Okay, you're gonna be able right here to see the prices. Okay, so just switch it up to the language from Riyadh to London or from Riyadh to Japan, right? So in my case, I'm gonna change it to Japan since we are in the Japan topic, right? You're gonna be able right here to see the prices. Okay, and always consider budget airlines. Low cost carriers like Ryanair or Spirit or Air Asia can save you money. Okay, so we're gonna type in Air Asia, right? And you're gonna go ahead and to the website and search your destination, right? I'm going for from, excuse me, Riyadh, Saudi Arabia, okay, to Japan. Okay, Tokyo. And select the passengers and the class. And you're gonna be able to search for flight. And you're gonna be able to find the ideal flight. And always use credit cards, rewards, and frequent flyer miles for discounts and free tickets. And lastly, check for hidden fees. Some budget airlines have extra baggage or seat selection fees. Okay, so let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Do not forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.